korang, Leona baru pergi grocery shopping sebab hari ni Leona ada sleepover. This is my grocery bag. Siapa cakap grocery bag kena hodor sebab I punya cantik. Jom kita buat a haul of what I bought. Yang pertama, my favorite chips. And then, I beli marshmallow pink sebab dia warna pink. And then, I have my favorite chocolates. And then, ramen, pink ramen. Bukan my favorite tapi, you know, it's pink. And then I have my jelly drinks. And then I have more chocolates yang I also suka. And lastly, I beli tuna sebab actually tak tahu sebab apa. That's all yang I beli. And sekarang I kena fikir macam mana I nak balik sebab I pandai sangat nak pergi grocery shopping tapi balik macam tak fikir pula. Okay, bye guys.